In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoom to record yourself for your personal projects or professional needs. Let's get started with these simple steps to have a hassle-free recording experience. First things first, we're going to use Zoom's web app for this guide as it can be accessed from any browser and doesn't require installation. Although the desktop client offers more features and a smoother interface, the web version is perfectly sufficient for educational purposes. So open your browser, type in app.zoom.us, or simply follow the Zoom web app link from the description below to get to the main page. Once you're on the Zoom homepage, the next step is to log into your account. Click on the Sign In button, which you can find on the upper right corner of the page. This directs you to a page where you can either enter your email and password or use a third-party account to sign in. For a quicker process, and if you have linked your Google account to Zoom before, click on Google to proceed with signing in. After clicking on Google, you'll be asked to choose your Google account. If your Google account is already listed, just click on it. Otherwise, you can add a new account by clicking on the Use Another Account option, which will then prompt you to enter your credentials. This process should be straightforward and secure, just like logging into any other service using Google. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the Zoom dashboard. Here, we're going to set up a new meeting. Look for the orange New Meeting button. This will start a new session where you can record yourself. It's essentially like hosting a meeting, but you're the only participant. This gives you the privacy and control you need for your recording session. Now, with the meeting started, make sure to turn on your camera so that Zoom can capture your video. This is crucial because we want to ensure you're being recorded. For the recording itself, you'll need the Zoom desktop app as this feature is only visible there. If you've installed it, you'll see a record button on the bottom toolbar. Simply click it and begin recording. It's always wise to do a short test run before fully committing to your content recording. Check if everything is working well. Your camera, microphone, and any other settings you might want to tweak. Make sure you're comfortable with the setup, and once you're confident everything's sorted, you can go ahead and start recording your video. That's it. You've successfully learned how to use Zoom to record yourself efficiently. Remember that practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment with different setups. Thank you for watching, and feel free to reach out if you have any questions or need further assistance.